So PBC 4 call PBC workers ne cocoa mum ye jumano. And one say PBC produced by a company. Omuna e wasan komoto cocoa ema ban.
Sure.
It is say kwiapa cocoa for no ye ankrankran. Na omu de nagu.
Okay.
Aban de na we say to cocoa no. Egu. De wa fa sika fa. De wa de adi. De wa say egu. PBC egu. Workers be bri adentam cocoa.
Enye easy o.
Omagu ade no.
Na na unse me cocoa scholarship we school.
Ay. Metina say enya minya dentam kra na mo yerepa.
Okay.
Ena issue we buy. Me say a PBC for mo to cocoa ma Ghana no. Omu complaini echo demonstration.
Right.
Na wutie ensem ni bi wo ho a. Na eni etan. Enti manager na wo ho ne say PBC na omusu no. Eyo man kasa na akoso sa problem no. O man kasa na ewia company no.
Yes, a workers na.
O man kasa na ewia company no. Bi enti no kansa. Oso obeto ye no. Oto say first of all, I was a PBC to cocoa.
Right.
And no one sembasa. I think so. Yema obisi kasa onkoto inkuto.
Share battery.
Aye. Onkoto inkuto na yeman 1.5 million. Sabre no, which is 15 billion.
Hi.
Onkoto inkuto no Burkina. Inkuto na ama sikane nso ama. She asema make 2019.
O mine sika.
Fatu sumami pacho. Ena me de koi. Aside that okra no golden bean ni de okra nyambai. Ebe ka wasem. Aye ka so mu nkoto inkuto machine. Ye betimi anyam inkuto no. Omu koto nkatie machine. Machine ye nkatie. Ena PBC mpanyifo ni bi kotoy.
Misappropriation.
Enti hwe 2019 na me sende ade no ekoye.
Okay.
Enti so obekaya
journalist petition CHRAJ to investigate alleged corruption at PBC.
Ya kwa enti na eya na eye mesre. Ya kwa momeya ma eduru ba bia no obemabu. Obi di Ghana fosika. Ya mani sika so mfankoya ade. Papa panyi ya man 1.5 million onna na ye unim de enti amekasa. Sa papa no na oye the deputy Northern regional minister under na Akufo-Addo. Papa no a no ye adwuma o PBC no. Before say ye be no deputy Northern region. No na ye share na Buipe share not inkuto no. Onna na ye general manager.
Hey. And it's
But na Akufo-Addo man ye deputy Northern regional minister. And I'm the court. Into betting I can cancel Crawford.
Or see a broadcast journalist, Jantuah has petitioned the Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice, CHRAJ, to investigate alleged corrupt activities at the produce buying company. That's PBC. The 2-page petition seeks to draw the attention of CHRAJ to the corruption and a breach of statutory functions at the PBC. Or say Mr. Jantuah also accused the company of mismanagement and breaching the fundamental rights of its workers. According to the journalist, he would readily appear before CHRAJ with appropriate documents to substantiate his claims if given the opportunity. And he nanana is a near ba bisi no chrese nana kwadwe Jantuah centroni 2019 edi adesede koto eye CHRAJ anim se ade bia koso ewo PBC a wono ugiri se ehia nhwehwemu na ugiri se katasehye ani dwirim na akoso a ekwan ayese PBC faso di ni dwuma no so wabusu nti wo nhwehwem na Jantuah nso esusu se dwumakuo no abu eye dwumafo wo ho no mo fa ahodie ho nsem so na afensu kwan mu di wo dwuma no kyenkyen abam eti ode koto CHRAJ anim o se wa ye ready CHRAJ frɛ no
at that time
enkrata bia ese fata bia wo de beba abedi adanse. He further alleged that the PBC has been posting losses in recent years, adding that some workers of the company have been using its hospital facilities for free. And we know, quote, documents intercepted suggest that the former general manager of PBC, Mr. John Benam Jabba, currently the deputy Northern regional minister, personally withdrew an amount of 1.5 million Ghana cedis from the company's account at the main branch of the Agricultural Development Bank, ADB, in Tamale, to purchase nuts from a dealer in Burkina Faso in 2018. In a session of the petitioner or the atohon. Also, the company apparently purchased machines meant for groundnut processing instead of shea nut processing. And this led to the initial cost of $576,000, increasing to $1.6 million. Dollars.
Issue na me kan intini na ne tofa ne say me hu sa anwoma na me hu say
wow.
Ya time obi ya mani sika o general manager 1.5 o. Any ye di gu
sa brand cry kan department na.
Se on fan ko non koto into okuta sika 15 billion. So di koto nkuto bepem ne nkuto na ma. Aside that ye ka say omunkoto share not in kutu machine.
No,
and can cost you 566,000. No, I think they call 1.6. And also buy a
dobratra
and cut your machine instead of in kutu.
Hey,
2019. Na do dan kwa kufado and then I buy a female.
And yes, I didn't be a deputy.
And yes, I didn't be a deputy
minister.
Ya kunwa bepim ne CHRAJ die. Me makache me say me
na
me CHRAJ say me de ma asem be ko CHRAJ. Me mfa ma asem ko CHRAJ biem da. Me makache shamaye din ma me no kra antore bia me nipa me friend komfa 2019 obi adiga na fosika me yen koje mra 2019 be pem na yentimi anye afikra na John Mahama yes yen investigation fufuro because o ma diska me wa CHRAJ na tro say CHRAJ tro say
orders deputy northern regional minister to cough 1.5 Nese omo establish ye ma CHRAJ oda ye se ontua sa sika no bepem ne wentua papa ne nam ho CHRAJ so ontua 15 billion no ti 15 billion ni sa na ta so ontua
na me sa de we personally me pesa me de call John Dramani Mahama ho sa me ya wo so munya investigation no na me fa because CHRAJ I don't trust CHRAJ
iyokufo ne yifo nsum no mo de mo hwi
papa ne nam ho we disk no na o ye kan sema o ntia
15 billion
anam so nipa ba ko adi nkate machine
da bi na machine no kura de na emu a atimi a triple amount
machine no so nye papa
mi ti kura me ya
nkuto machine no nkoto nkate machine abusianti na me say ye problem ye self inflated
oh yes and now it's time eso mine ye hwese ye institutions no ye be ma no aye adwuma he say no echibwa na say institutions na wono mo ada no te say de odi ko ye a wonye ho adwuma yi etimi bo ma but you see lack of political will and me hu ne ha a person wa petition say wadi bone wa ma substantial evidence we are ready to appear before any committee
me call CHRAJ na samanko say me call ye ne na CHRAJ ka say ontua na the other one nso ye nka ho asem ti me call CHRAJ ko e de me nyoma nyina na CHRAJ tro say saa de na Jantuah kan ya panti saa 15 billion no ontua bepem ne emai
which CHRAJ boss no was appointed meboa and to obebrifu mampani woni dwumadie bi a wodi and so obeya aware say nipa we ye dibone say and we went ahead to give the person deputy what minister
na kufado sabo na ba
yenye serious
momunim de ekoso ne ekwan ya kwa ma me ya na saa sika ne ba me ebeba me nchen
titran wo transia na dwotro petition no ball
ayi na lawyers mi ankasa misika
ni nyina no ye kwa
mi ankasa misika me ne lawyers ne sika sika ye boy ye ka ye boy ye emu nkran ko
o kuma magana
yan kuma gana bepem ne Obiti social media on tiase
o mai bi ni
kasa ne kasa
o mai bi ni
sika no say amfa wadi 15 billion ko
asai sika no nkade ye beye
mambie line so na ye ni enkomo na ye